Hi, it's Teacher Mara, and I have a great indoor game for you all. We've got indoor bowling. So all you're gonna need is your favorite ball and something to knock over. I have some plastic cups lined up over here, but you could also use empty water bottles or full water bottles, or even toilet paper or paper towel rolls cut up into smaller bits. So go ahead and grab your ball, line up your pins, and we're gonna get to bowling. I have them lined up here in a classic way, but let's see if I can knock those over. 1, 2, 3, bowl! Oh, I'm not very good. I think I got a couple of them, but this is a great way, to do some counting with your little ones. So see, how many did we knock over? I only knocked over 1, but I do see that I moved them around a little bit. And little ones also love to explore stacking and knocking over their pins as well. So if you're able to, explore making a tower and see if you can knock it over with your ball. 1, 2, 3. Strike! Have fun with indoor bowling, everyone.